Good morning. Today I'll show you Rome's feature updates for August 2021. I have a masterclass for Rome newcomers and power user wannabes, which you can check out here in this link. These updates keep my students up to date with the very latest. So, the one update for August 2021 in Rome has been YouTube video timestamps, which I think is pretty cool. Let me show you. Here I have a video on how to pray by the Pope himself and a few timestamps. Basically, when you add a video to your Rome database, you can now either type video timestamp or hit Command or Control Alt T under the video. This is very important. It has to be underneath it to enter a timestamp. Now let me show you how I do this and the other features within this update. These timestamps here have been added using this new feature. And there's three very cool things about them. One of them you can already see, and it's that they are clickable and they will take you directly to the mentioned timestamp. For example. Now the second cool thing is that these things obviously are blocks, and as blocks we can do cool stuff like reorder them however we like. All this is in order, but then suddenly here we have 113, which is obviously it goes before 128. But I believe that having this idea here underneath this parent idea makes more sense. And as blocks, I can also grab their block references like so and use them somewhere else. For example, I know this one here, Have the Heart of a Child, will be very useful to a video I just added to my database. Let me find it. Here it is, How to Become a Pope. Now I haven't watched this video past the first 10 seconds, but right away it starts with the requirements.
Requirements must you have for this lofty position? First, be a Catholic, and second, be a man. Which seems a little...
Cool, and this is great, but I think it would be worthy to add the following. There we go. Obviously now we have this reference here, which connects the two videos, and again, this is very, very cool, I think. So these new timestamps are clickable and allow you to jump exactly on the video wherever you want to go. They're blocks, so you can reference them, reorder them however you like, reuse them wherever you like. And finally, they have their own page. Let me show you the syntax. What I wanted you to see is the name of this page. We find that we have in one single page all of our timestamps. And this is awesome because suddenly in one single page we have access to all of the videos that we might have been working on. We can even work on them here, just like in any other Rome page. Okay, so one last thing about playing with the syntaxes here is that you can actually edit it. For example, let's go here where the Pope says that the very first step to pray is to have the heart of a child. He said bambino, which is child in Italian, and that's where I had the timecode, which means I entered it a bit late. Let me change that to second 23. Let's see what happens.
Avere un cuore di bambino.
See, much better. So you can just do this, edit your timestamps here manually, and it still works. So let's go and enter an actual timecode, which 5 minutes in I haven't even showed you how to. You can do it two ways. You can use the / command and type video, and that's the one. Press enter and it will create a timestamp here. / commands are covered in lesson 14 in my masterclass. Another option, which I like better, would be to use a shortcut. In this case, Command Alt T or Control Alt T if you're on Windows. So let's capture the next one. Now this is interesting for me. The Pope here is saying that you can expect God's answer in silence. So for me that's it.
Avere un cuore di bambino. Dile padre. Incomincia a pregare così. Tu dile padre e lui ti risponderà. E nel silenzio ci dirà che mai ti ha perso.
So that's it. If you like this little video and would like to keep on learning, consider taking my newbie to advanced user masterclass. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to buy me a coffee for it, feel free to do it here. The link with everything else that we talked about in this video, code, links, etc., is in the description below. Have a nice day.